The OnePlus 13 is not just a smartphone, it is a statement of technological excellence, establishing itself as the best flagship device for 2025. Building on OnePlus's legacy of delivering high-performance devices, the OnePlus 13 raises the bar with cutting-edge features that cater to tech enthusiasts and casual users alike. The device is powered by the revolutionary Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, ensuring lightning-fast performance, exceptional energy efficiency, and seamless multitasking. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or handling productivity tasks, the OnePlus 13 delivers unmatched speed and responsiveness. Its 6.9-inch AMOLED display is a masterpiece, featuring a 2K resolution, a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, and peak brightness levels that make it ideal for outdoor use and HDR content. This display, combined with Dolby Vision and HDR10+ support, transforms the smartphone into a portable entertainment powerhouse. The OnePlus 13's camera system is another standout feature, redefining mobile photography in 2025. Its triple-lens setup includes a 64MP main sensor with enhanced low-light capabilities, a 50MP ultra-wide lens with unparalleled clarity, and a 32MP telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. The advanced AI algorithms and Hasselblad partnership ensure that every shot is optimized for detail, color accuracy, and artistic flair. On the video front, the device supports 8K recording with superior stabilization, catering to content creators and vloggers. The front-facing camera is no slouch either, delivering crisp and vibrant selfies with AI-enhanced portrait modes. Battery life is no longer a concern with the OnePlus 13. Equipped with a 5,500 mAh battery and 150W SuperVOOC charging, the device ensures that a full day's use can be achieved with just a 10-minute charge. The inclusion of 50W wireless charging and reverse wireless charging adds further convenience. The phone runs on OxygenOS 15, a refined operating system built on Android 15, which combines a clean interface with customizable features and enhanced privacy options. OnePlus has also taken connectivity to the next level with support for Wi-Fi 7, improved 5G antennas, and seamless integration with IoT devices. The design of the OnePlus 13 is a testament to the brand's commitment to craftsmanship. The device features a sleek aluminum frame, a ceramic back, and Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for added durability. Available in striking color options and a limited edition finish, it stands out as both a functional tool and a style statement. Additionally, the device boasts IP68 water and dust resistance, ensuring durability for everyday adventures. With its exceptional performance, state-of-the-art features, and an attractive price point compared to competitors, the OnePlus 13 truly embodies the perfect flagship for 2025. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a creative professional, or someone who values premium experiences, the OnePlus 13 is designed to impress and deliver beyond expectations. It is more than a phone, it's a glimpse into the future of mobile technology.